Yeah, hello again. This is another video to explain another problem that was part of your examination, the last examination, or actually October's examination. It was a small test, and this is the problem. And this problem is saying that you have a triangle ABC that is an isosceles, meaning that AB and AC are equal. The angle BAC is 110, and also saying that the area of the triangle is equal to 85 centimeters squared. He's asking you to calculate AC, so he wants to know this x value. From our study to the sine of the cosine rule, we understood that we can find out the area of a triangle by using this rule, saying half of AB sine C is going to be equal to the area. What is the meaning AB? Say that if you have a triangle and we say that this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, or these small sides, this is the side A, this is the side C, and this is the side. If you can figure out an angle called sine, here by the way we are using a similar different notation. I'm gonna explain it in as simple as possible. According to my drawing, the area of the triangle is going to be equal to half of B and C and multiplied by sine A. This is what you're trying to do. Trying to find out an angle and equal sides to it, the included angle of these two sides, to figure out or use the area triangle rule. So according to what you have here, it's going to be equal, the notation of the area is going to be different. It's going to be half BC multiplied by sine A, because you can write it in different ways. You know that it's going to be equal to, there's a third way to do it, which is going to be third, half of AC multiplied in sine of angle B. It's the same rule, but it depends on what do you have as a given information. And here it seems the most appropriate version of this area triangle is to use this one. So now, since I know that the area is equal to 85th, I can say that 85th, which is the area, is equal to what? Equal to half multiplied in B and C. What do I know about B and C? I know that this is an isosceles triangle. It means that these two sides, they are equal, right? It means that we can say that B is equals to C, and I can say that it's going to be equal to X. Okay, so I give it information. It means that when I multiply B and C, is going to be equal to 2X. So now I'm going to translate this into becoming half multiplied in 2x, because these are two sides are equal, multiplied in sine of angle 110. Okay, so now since I know I need to calculate the sine 110, the sine 110 is going to be equal, according to what I have in front of me, is going to be equal to 0.94. Going to be equal to 0.94. So my rule right now is going to be having this version, 85. The area is going to be equal to half multiplied into, I know that half multiplied into is going to be equal to 1. It means that's going to be equal to the sine 110, which is going to be equal to 0.94 multiplied in x, which is the side that I'm trying to find out. This is representing x. Okay, so x is gonna be equal to 85 divided by 0.94, which is gonna be equal to 90.5 centimeter. And this is the solution of your problem. It means that the side 90.5, so it means that this is going to be equal to 90.5 centimeter. And that's it for this problem. See you in the next video.